Okay, today I'm going to show you how to access our card catalog. The easiest way is to start on the SAISD homepage. If you'll click on Schools and find our campus, Burbank. Once you're there, you'll see there's a link on the left, Library Information. And right here is our card catalog. Now we have two versions. I'm going to show you each of those. This one will take you into Destiny Discover. So you would just do a search, say you wanted books on Titanic. And this will show you all the books that we have in the library, and it has some information, like if you click on the title, it will give you a little bit more information about the book, such as the call number, the Lexile number, and things like that. So it'll be easy to find when you're in the library. The other version is the classic site, where you can do a little bit more with it, and you can also choose to search, say, all of San Antonio ISD. So if I wanted to search for Titanic and see what other schools, I could choose that and do a search. And that is how you search our catalog.